Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video, we are gonna film a pack with me video, so we are gonna pack my skincare, makeup and hair care for a small beach vacation. So if you're curious about that, please keep on watching. First things first, if you're curious about this look, I did film it. It will be live soon because right now I am pre-filming a lot of videos, but I will link down below everything that I have on my face, but the get ready with me will be available later. So let's get into the packing part. Okay, so let's start with some skincare and hair care. I hope this angle is pretty decent. I have in here, I don't know if you can see, I have in the right part of the video, I have my bag. I'm gonna put everything in here, and here I have some empty bottles, and I will transfer some of these products into here. I have my toothbrush holder, and then I have two minis. This is the Cerave moisturizing lotion and the hydrating cleanser, so I'm gonna take these two. I do have the hydrating cleanser in a bigger bottle, so we don't need this one. And then I have these two things for perfumes, so I'm gonna take these as well. One is La Vie Belle and one is a hair perfume. Then I will take just a bit of this. This is the You to the People Superfood cleanser. I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of this into here, just because the You to the People cleanser is just a big bottle and it is glass as well. So I have two cleansers. This is not necessary. This is the Cerave exfoliating cleanser. Then I will take the ordinary niacinamide. My morning routine is the niacinamide, and then an SPF. So for SPF I have these two at this moment. This is the Supergoop Unseen and the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Sun Gel. I will take the Supergoop just because this is a more gel texture and it is clear, so I don't need to see myself in a mirror when I'm applying this one. This one is just a tiny bit white at first, so I will take this one just because on the beach I don't need to see myself while applying it. For deodorant I'm gonna take this one just because it is clear. I have two Dove Invisible Dries in here, this one and this one, but they are leaving some residue after a bit, so I don't like that, so we will take these. And then I have these three hydrating creams. This is the Cerave hydrating cream, then I have the Ultra Rephr cream from Huda Beauty, and then I have the hydration cream from Rephr. So I think I'm gonna choose this one, the Huda Beauty one, and I will put a bit into this small packaging. I think I'm gonna take this La Roche-posay SPF as well. This is SPF 50 and it is a spray and you can apply this on top of makeup. I will take this one because I am going to the beach and this will be great for that, and I think I will finish it. Then I have my actives in here. I have the Inkyless Retinol and I have a Revox Salicylic acid. I will not take any of these. When I will come back, I'm gonna do a mask to refresh my skin, and then I will start again with these actives. But when I am away, I prefer just to hydrate my skin. I have these three products for the eye area. This is the ordinary multi-peptide lash and brow serum. I will take this one to apply at night, and this one as well at night is the Cerave eye repair cream. I'm gonna take these ones. I am still testing them. And then from this basket I think I'm gonna take this one. This is the Bedhead Dirty Secret dry shampoo because I will for sure need some dry shampoo, but I think this is it for this basket. I'm not gonna take shampoo or a conditioner or masks for hair or something like that, just because I'm staying just for about 5 days or something like that, and my mom has shampoos and conditioners as well. And then I have this other basket in here with just some stuff. I have this exfoliant and this drying lotion for pimples. I'm not gonna take them. Then what else is in here? I'm gonna take this one. This is an SPF for the body. This is the Vichy SPF 50, and I'm gonna take this one. And then I will put the Garnier Micellar water into this container, and I will take it with me as well, just to remove any makeup. I will take this this product. This is for bugs and stuff like that. Bugs love me, so yeah, mosquitoes especially, so I will take this one because I don't want to get bitten everywhere. And this should be it for skincare and hair care. I have in here reusable cotton rounds, but my mom for sure has some cotton rounds as well at home, so this should be it. So here are all the products for skincare and hair care. For hair care I only have this one, but of course I'm gonna take my hairbrush as well, but maybe I'm gonna take the texturizing spray as well. This one from Bedhead, Salty Not Sorry, I'm gonna take that one as well. So let's move into makeup. So let's start with primer, foundation and concealer. I do have a separate basket in here with my project pen items, but we are gonna talk about them at the end. So for primer, I'm not gonna take any primer just because I do have my sunscreen, and that should be enough. I will do a more no makeup in this vacation, so I'm not gonna take a lot of makeup, but yeah, so no primer. And I'm not gonna take any foundation either, so we are gonna take just one concealer or two maybe. This one, that is the NYX Bear With Me concealer serum, and I have the shade Light. I'm gonna take this one and maybe the project pen one. Then let's decide on a powder, bronzer, blush and highlighter. For powder I have the Huda Beauty Easy Bake just on top of the drawer because I'm using this most days. I'm gonna take this one, and no pressed powders because it will be very warm, so I want a loose powder. And then for bronzer, I think I'm gonna take the project pen bronzer, the ABH one, and I'm gonna use only this one. But let's talk about the project pen items because I will go back and back to that. So I'm gonna take the liquid camouflage from Catrice as well, just to have two concealers, but nothing else from here. I'm gonna take other highlighter and the loose powder and everything, so only that from here. And now let's pick two blushes because I want a cream and a powder. I think I'm gonna take as powder the vitamin C from Pixi. I just love this one. And then for a cream, I have these three options. The orange one from NYX, it will not work too great. I think I'm gonna take the Melt one. And for highlighter, I'm gonna take this one. This is the Kaleidos packaging, but the shade in here is the Ofra Pillow Talk shade. And I'm picking this one because it will look just amazing on top of the two blushes. Okay, let's move into some lip stuff. This is my section for that. It looks a bit crazy. Let's pick two glosses, I think. I will take the Huda Icy because for a no makeup this will look nice, even though it's not my favorite. It will be nice and cooling. And then I think I'm gonna take the Fenty Skin Cherry Treat lip oil just because this is pretty small and doesn't have a lot of color, so I can apply this without looking into the mirror. And yeah, so I'm gonna take this one as well. And then what I want to do is take some colorful options just because I don't think I'm gonna do a lot of eye makeup. So I think I'm gonna take the red and the orange, and I will take this NYX pencil as well. And for the orange, I'm gonna take this brownie pencil, the Viv one, and I think this will work with the glosses as well if I want a more defined look with the glosses. So this is the Viv Modern Lip Definer, and it is the shade Bark. And then I will take this NYX lip pencil in Cabaret. This is a red. And for the liquid lipsticks, I have the Rare Beauty Inspire. This is a more moussey texture. And then I have this one. This is the Dose of Colors Old Flame. It is a stunning orange. So these are the lip options. So this is the shadow drawer. It looks crazy right now. I need to organize them a bit, but I know that I'm gonna take only one palette. And that one palette is the Natasha Denona Mini Retro palette. I adore this palette. It's so beautiful. I could just put this one into the crease and mascara or do a more shimmery pinky look or do a more smoky eye. I love this one, so I'm gonna take only this one. And then we have this section with eye stuff and lashes and brows and everything. From here I'm gonna take this brow product, the by Beauty Bay Brush Up Brows Brow Soap, because I want to test this one more. I only tested it today. And then I have the mascaras that are open on top of the drawer, so we are gonna talk about that in a second. But I think I want to take the NYX Epic Wear liner. This is the black one. And then I will take the spoolies for the brow product as well. And I will take my lash curler, just because if I'm not applying any mascara, I will curl my lashes. And I think actually I will take this e.l.f. No Budge stick as well, just because this could be a very easy one shadow look. And I want to test this one more, so I'm gonna take this one as well. And actually I'm gonna take the other shade of the NYX Epic Wear, the Dusty Mauve shade. I'm gonna take that as well. And I think this is it for this part of the drawer. Let's move on top. We're gonna choose some brushes as well, and yes, I do have a bag on top of my brushes just because I don't want dust on them. So I have this cup in here. I will take from here the Natasha Denona eyeshadow primer. I have my mascaras in here that are opened. I'm gonna take the Rare Beauty mascara. Then I have the Too Faced Fluff and Hold. I think I'm gonna take this one just because I'm testing the Beauty Bay one, and if I really hate it over time, I will just take this one to be sure that I have something. I have some other products in here. The Project Pen lipstick, I'm not gonna take it, and not this lip pencil either. I'm gonna take the NYX pencil, the brow pencil. And then I have these pencils in here. These I'm still testing for the video, and these are from my Project Pen. I don't think I'm gonna take any, just because I have the black one from NYX and I have the pink one, and I think that is enough. Then I have my sponge in here. Of course I will take this one as well. And then I have these two setting sprays. I'm gonna take the Essence Hello Good Stuff. These are my face brushes, so I think I need this brush just to remove any excess powder, if any. I will take this Real Technique one for a highlighter. For blush, I think I need this one for the Pixie one, and for the cream one, I'm gonna apply it with the sponge, and as well I'm gonna apply with the sponge the Huda Beauty powder as well. And for bronzer, I'm gonna take this brush. And then we have some eye brushes. I'm gonna take the Hey Shorty brush from Beauty Bay. This is great for blending maybe the cream shadow from e.l.f. or something in the outer edge. Then I'm gonna take the Sigma E25. I love this brush, so I'm gonna take it for anything basically. This Rubloff brush as well, just to apply some shadow on the lid. And then I need a small pencil brush, so I'm gonna take this one from Dose of Colors. And then I'm gonna take this very tiny brush and very old brush for the lower lash. I will take this Rubloff brush that has a spoolie on one end and a very tiny brush on the other end. It is dirty, but I will clean it. I'm gonna take this one just to have a second option for the lower lash, and then to have a spoolie as well. This brush just to blend the Natasha Denona eyeshadow primer. This is the Real Techniques 300 brush. So yeah, these are all the brushes. Okay, so these will be all the products that I'm gonna take with me for skincare, hair care and makeup. And yeah, so if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.